Reply now, Kevin Ekobedi Taylor, 1 man thousand, man of the moment. Will reply to the insult of Twene Jonas and Young Don. I will tell him say before 2026, any say young 2026 wake up now. Next one, no Kevin Ekobedi Taylor on fire Twene Jonas and Young Don in free USA and my Ghana as well. The show no obejaye. In this video, I have full details for you. The area Abedru had a beef with Kwame start here. It's element to the end of this particular video as I brief you with the beef. I Penyah Block Media. There's any demo. Over like a video, no doubt about over subscribe button. It's not click a notification icon of latest updates. Now better watch media mama ever comment as well as overswa. No be share video more so any be. I should only a trago ever monteneso. It's a beef way. Kevin Taylor and start here. I bear no creature from answer. Enya banta na Twene Jonas ebe kaze o mumie nu no entoko na moku na hu hia munyae no because hu hia munya mon from a platform put up mon come together na mon fight for the betterment of Ghana munyae division na mode ba Ghana mon tem no munya MPP na this for sem no hu hia it doesn't make sense asem na Twene Jonas ebe kan emu ana Kevin Taylor ebe send threat of deportation to Twene Jonas and Young Don
me say no on sen kofo kamensem and I keep telling people say me. So you're a blogger now, you be all Europe or Asia, or come as now or US. Now you're a blogger. Now you're just say, oh, the minute you show me do coffee. Especially a blogger now unye legal. Also me because for some reason I'm out for me a blog in America me come WhatsApp. Because me need time to spend my time on people who are not legal. Inti me say me charge ya America ha or a blogger krum ha na no didi or the ball bra. Udenya kakra de koba stick to that. So I just be change the media baba or blogging more. Me I will not come and sit here and fight you. Me I don't have time because I only deal with people who are educated, can write their name and understand what is happening. Intimino. So a blogger America I will not sit here. I will not fight anybody on my especially America. Now we illegitimate a person or her. We illegal. Me I don't waste time on those things. So I'm sending this warning to all the bloggers in America. We already said, oh, name me baby banter, make sure you are legitimate. So when you're legitimate, I'll come after you. I'll make sure you are taken home. And me, every state in East Coast, West Coast, I have been there. Majority of the states. It is not difficult for me. And to me, I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. Kakara modina nantina mundin sana monfanko. Mama monfanko baby I'm penny for because baby I'm penny for no jimina kohwa hebetiam. I am sending this message across. Out of respect and out to say ubia bedidi, ubia subetumenya baby atena. Refugee bia ho beto criminal bia wo America sebi oni nkrata nyina so ye be ma ne ho ato no Ghana America nti ye nka obi asem e je say wonim penifo a na so wonim say ompe problem stay away and do your foolish thing. Do not bring my name. It is simple as that because me I can come to you and take you home. I don't joke around. I'll walk to you and I'll take you home. Me menya nkora ni bi o mosoro na moye mo nkwase ade na. Then Kevin Taylor, me udi Jimmy America ha. I'll come to you. Yes, I will take it to your doorstep and I'll make sure you will go home before I come. Intimino, Esremo. So when you street carnival na moya, munye street carnival no. When you Jimmy na mu Jimmy because baby you do know. We don't have time for twerps. Mo binitare taramotoa. We don't want nonsense. Into out America or blogger be also steady me I don't go after America bloggers near I don't do that. Because me bufua me metena hane wonko. I will make sure the Lord deals with you. It takes you home. Me that is it. Enti me information no. Me can't na me stress. But better say Ghana we si ba no obitim. Because e krom ha de. Over social media mo betima hwehwem bibia mu. Obo me di Kevin Taylor. You can do all my background checks. Me when I travel, I go through a migration. I go through all the process. Anything you want to find about me, you can go online and you find it. I have nothing to hide. What about you? Maintain your level. You guys should maintain your level. Penny4 blessings are munjintum na penny4 ni shramo.
Same way and share Young Don and Twene Jonas ebufu. In the Twene Jonas ever ball firemen.
Obisu, who are you talking about? Make me Kwasiana and Afuno said yeah who to a friend Kevin Taylor Jimmy. Kwasiam Penyah junkie man. Opo bi ni na Jimmy as a Twene Jonas. Na Kwasia akatechie Jimmy for na ade no no omumo me attack because mumie nam di watembo. Ade no no mfa ni Jimmy me kasa. Onkwan we Jimmy. Onkwan na ye o junkie man. Ana Ghana for ni yodium na wu se se me dwene hu se da bi Twene Jonas ye almighty. Me kwa me lose match. Jimmy enu a me send the threat ya. Nko obi anu a oberen oba be ha me. And I won't so count be asema. o enko ba bia ba o bo Twene Jonas din ko adane news eno kura wa mommy din o send akuti anim ni wura enti adane news o Ghana wa mommy din o enti na say ma ko sulu ama no no nti onim na ode kwase abebo mi din dia obet trend no trending so a jomama ne yere no mienu no omo no maso be hye lodin na ne device no jomama ne mpana ne yere omo mienu nyina be aso be hye wadi ase ansa jomama na nkasa so hye mi wian masa kodi ne ba frida no so asoso na asan ye omo ya mo se anakwase we odi atem no asan anya frida di no asan ye omo ya mo entime ka no kura kire mo se manya jimi na mantia mo kraman na me I'm not on nobody's payroll. I am not. Ghana ni bi anyone Jimmy obetimi abeclaim say onu ne tua me ka. No, I got money than them or me the dollars. I spend millions of dollars. Say me treat Twene Jonas me deport no no nkofo abekan de wo ye no ma be ye de chance a. Bi say akofo ade no ne kwetena Biden ho ano peto nwere no da Biden. Say bi deport Twene Jonas ono kura ye mampanyi wantimi anye hu na kwase awo a oba na hwewo. Oba ne to aduane ma odi o na o wuru nkuku ofi because onya adwuma o yire na ye adwuma enti ono ko asora machi akọ no akọ sim kuranta ale akoye landry ni nyina mbe ka kire me o be wuru nkuku e ofie ansa na wanu aduane ama nkwase ama no o wia wa betena atitim fifire pampers ne pa ayum kura powder tu mutu bi ni nyina na otete because oba na dane wo oba na wo no ono mumie bema e ofie o ko jimi san kwashia life out in America who live no. I don't live that. I live luxury life. Obisu, who are you talking about? Make me kwashiana na funo said ye who to a friend Kevin Taylor Jimmy. Wasi Penyah ni junkie man. Opo bi ni na Jimmy as a Twene Jonas. Na kwashia akatachie Jimmy for na ade no no o mumu me attack because mumie nam di watembo. Ade no no mfa ni Jimmy me kasa. Onkwan we Jimmy onkwan na ye o junkie man ana Ghana for ni yodium na wu se se medwene hu se da bi Twene Jonas ye almighty because me lose match no Jimmy enu amesa ne threat ya nko obi anu a oberen oba be ha me na won se o kan obi asema o enko ba bia ba o bo Twene Jonas din ko adane news eno kura wa momedin o send akuti anim ni wura enti adane news o Ghana wa momedin o enti na say ma ko sulu ama no no enti onim na ode ne kwase abebo medin dia obet trend no trending so a jomama ne yere no mienu no omo no maso be hye lodin na ne device no jomama ne mpana ne yere omo mienu nya be aso be hye wadi ase ansa jomama na nkasa so hye mi wian masa kodi ne ba frida no so asoso na asan ye omo ya mo se anakwase we odi atem no asan anya frida di no asan ye omo ya mo entime ka no kura kire mo se manya jimi na mantia mo kraman na me I'm not on nobody's payroll. I am not. Ghana ni bi anyone Jimmy obetimi abeclaim say onu ne tua me ka. No, I got money than them or me the dollars. I spend millions of dollars. Say me treat Twene Jonas me deport no no nkofo abekan de wo ye no ma be ye de chance a bi say akofo ade wono ne kwetena Biden ho ano peto nwere no da Biden say bi deport Twene Jonas ono kura ye mampanyi wantimi anye hu na kwase awo a oba na hwewo oba na to aduane ma odi o na o wuru nkuku ofi because onya adwuma o yire na ye adwuma enti ono ko asora machi akọ no akọ sim kuranta ale akoye landry ni nyina mbe ka kire me o be wuru nkuku e ofie ansa na wanu aduane ama nkwase ama no o wia wa betena atitim fifire pampers ne pa ayum kura powder tu mutu bi ni nyina na otete because oba na dane wo oba na wo no ono mumie bema e ofie o ko Jimmy san kwashia life out in America who live no. I don't live that. I live luxury life.
Young Don SB fire.
MP NDC for nipa bina e fe no Kevin Taylor no. Ya say omu video no come send him say man hwan you. Ya so also de me back Ghana. Ya so say me temptina me dim kwase asema me Jimmy o de me back Ghana. Na oh yeah, what's it? Yeah, blog. Oh, New York, bloggers. I'm not a blogger, man. Okay, let me explain it, Roberto. What's yeah, blogger in New York. By the way, I'm a blogger. Yeah, no, or the ever Ghana, see your body on platforms. When I'm better, say, one of me more on platforms. So, I'm answering, I make a channel. One of Ghana, any problem with more Ghana, I 100% that. Oh, 10% penny anymore. Who be any movie, I say. So, I'm channel. To say, including some of my body on platform, no Socrano. I'm biggest fame. I'm a more minimum so I be nimu. And it's like, unyo bia we ase unyo bia mame so on am chano enti wo betrete me sa no ase oh wudi agomro beba me no listen ebroni ba na hwami o wo no yaso te Washington DC broni ba na hwe o kitchen kura na yaso oda yaso oda kitchen yaso oda enti oye ni video ni wi na yere no na hwe ne sa yase na yere na hwe no na yere na hwe o kwasia yasu ko mote oni adwuma bi ayo wajimi ko ayi ya fe kwadonto abua makna ma ba jimifo media odo asamba me so ba funu mema na funu asia jimi video nka ma hwa nyu eze wo so wo de meba gan abua kana ma ite sawo wodi anya jimi no asia mfi wate junkie boy asia jimifo kan wate wan Kevin Taylor jimifo no asia to enipa mu abu ase kuranya anya opportunity abere obi ti Ghana ho bere pa abro kira ma enipa mu abu ase kuranya anya opportunity abere obi ti Ghana ho bere pa abro kira ma John Mahama ensi hajj village no wa betima biye anu village no wa betima biye anu akasa asem no eye ba be kun jimifo se timi biye anu kase wa wo be biye anu akase Mahama when see hajj village no ana nkramofo no hana ya anya hwe amom no ye ba be kun enipa da sani timi bie na no etrati nipa Ghana si ya ba be kun you live in America si ya ba be kun you live in America and you promote violence in Ghana what in America etrati obi wa Ghana si ba be kun are you killing me you know what called a kun do you know what called killing obika so be kun a wote ase onim ma de kro so obika so be kun a onim ma de kro so obi ebe gina wanim so be kun a kro ma ka kira akatani so be kun a akatani no be din ka ba be kun before wo ba be kun no kro ma o ka kira akatani so be kun a akatani no ba be din ka ba be kun ansa na o be kun onim abuso obi a kro ma so ma akatani hu so wo ba be kun a akatani no oba su straight up ade akuna ensa na akyem aba be kun ba o Kevin Taylor abua te saw enipa mu enimpan abua pa o etimi threat Ghana obi Ghana say
na omumienu omu be fire on many occasions left right center every day be na warm up eba any hit eba for Kevin Taylor any Mahama any NDC back to back no be a threat Kevin Taylor be reply because he himself no ye be ma won sinsun ansa no ham eba be for onimu be for pa enti at least very planning where the echo Edna Kevin Taylor eba live now in his live stream and obey send a special package to Young Don and the Jonas out to himself or no Kevin Taylor and Quincy 2026 World Cup no let's say on fire Jonas and Young Don and Tina play movie see Ghana obejani show me
home safely God day we will all come back to America. But before Black Stars come to America, we will make sure some will go home. It's very, very important. What we are doing there, we are not going to say it. But before Black Stars come 2026, no, some will go home. Send a Black Stars for the bar. Supporters in papa na mabeka. But phone a woman aye. So you people getting ready to come to a year America World Cup no get ready. Papa na mo nyina momra moba mamonko. But omo hana enye no. Aye. Stray dogs nyina be making sure say answer na World Cup ni no nyina ye change yom. It is substitution baby. Your plan the ye adwuma. Yanka plan ho asem by plan ye adwuma. Aha. Plan into ntumi na plan into obeto a video 50,000. Plan into ntumi na pressure be da also. Sa na plan it here. All right, now mama yamfa dwuma de ni hye so. I want to put this out.
Chirawa Jamame, our comment section. Kevin Taylor Albert took trade ni bi corner what that form and a Young Don Twene Jonas able born left right side as she said no but now no does it be more broomy be a year. It also about took trade the more share. It me a very sure say Young Don a reply ebeba. Na Twene Jonas as a response ebeba. And to wait for part 2 And the part 3, part 2, Twene Jonas a reply. Part 3, Young Don a reply. And I mean, I Penyah Block Media. Background.